हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। तो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर नेम। येलो कलर, सिल्वर कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ब्लैक कलर, pink color, red color. A for apple, A for apple. Black color. B for ball, B for ball. Silver color. C for cat, C for cat. Yellow color. D for dolphin, D for dolphin. Blue color. E for elephant, E for elephant. Pink color. F for fish, F for fish. Sky blue color. Z for grapes, Z for grapes. Green color. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rose, R for rose. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violin. W for water, W for water. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.